Good morning, Indira Shah here. I am going to make peas parota today. This is dehydrated peas, okay? Dry peas, we call it as dried peas. This is around quarter kg. Overnight I soaked it, drained the water. So now we have to grind this. But before grinding, you have to add the required chili, and then this is ginger, a piece of ginger, a little sugar and required salt. Okay, now let me grind it without adding water. Here I have grounded the peas, but I added just a less than quarter glass of water. Now we have to fry it. Okay, what we should do is, in a kadai take about 2 to 3 spoons of oil and pour this. To this I have added salt and bit of sugar for taste. Okay, now let me put on the stove. Here, till it becomes little dry, you have to fry it. Okay, but keep stirring it like this, otherwise this puran will stick it to the bottom of the pan. Here, this has been fried. See, it should be this consistency. Here, it should be still sticky. Don't make it too powdery, because if it becomes powder, then you cannot stuff it. In case by chance if it becomes powder, again add little water and fry. Okay, so don't get panicked. And this takes only about 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. Okay, now let's make parota. Now I have cooled it here because this is still hot. So I have cooled it. Let me make parota. Now the parota dough should be soft like this. Here, you can view my previous video for how to make the dough for pulka. Okay, for pulkas. So you can view my previous video. See, it should be very soft like this. You can take little, just make a ball. This will be very tasty, trust me, very tasty parotas. You can take out the extra dough from top and again press it and slightly press it. I am making small parotas. Let me put on the stove. Tomato. Now, the next parota will be round in shape. Let it just get baked this side for a few seconds, and then you can flip it. You can just check, it's not done. You can see the bubbles here. The bubble starts coming up here. That means, and the change in the color, you can see the bubble coming here. Now flip it. Now after flipping, pour the oil. Now flip it again. You have to take something sharp like this, Don't take a blunt one. Now flip it again. Now this is done. Let me make one more and show you. The second one I have kneaded. Let me put on the stove. You can see the bubbles, so I flipped it. Now add sufficient oil. Okay. For parotas, you need to add sufficient oil. Now this is done. I'll put off the stove. The peas parota is ready. You can see this will be very tasty. This goes well with, this is curd. I have added salt and chili powder and pickle. You can add butter while eating if you desire to. Okay. Otherwise you need not add butter. So trust me, this will be very tasty. You will certainly love it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, press the like button and the bell button for more notification, because I'll be coming up with very more interesting videos on food related, gardening related, house decoration tips and so many things, house maintaining, home maintaining, so many things. So kindly inform your friends also. So thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. Let me just show you how the inside stuff will be seen. Let me just cut it and show you. Here. If you want, you can apply more puran here. Are you able to see? This will be very, very tasty. Please prepare it and give me back your sincere feedback. Thank you very much. This is Indira here, Indira Shah here with Vela. Bye-bye.